Today we're looking at division using the drop-down method. All these numbers and arrows and decimal points and things that I've got down here, they're just for me to move around while I'm doing the sum. Now the sum is 3,246 divided by 9. And we're going to solve this problem using division, multiplication, and subtraction. Okay, so we'll start off with 9s into 3. Well, 9s into 3 won't go. So we need to look at 9s into the 3 and the 2, making 32. So 9s into 32. Well, the closest we can get is 3 9s, because 3 9s are 27. So I grab this 3 up here and pop my 3 there. Now we've done the division side of things. Let's look at the multiplication side of things now. So we take 3 times it by the 9. That gives us 27, and here's our 27 down here. And we place the 27 just there underneath the 32. Okay, now we've done the multiplication part of things. Let's look at the subtraction. So, 32, take away 27. What have we got left? We've got 5 left. So let's pop our 5 there. Now we've done the subtraction side of things. Back to the beginning and the division. 9s into 5. Well, 9s into 5 won't go, so we need to drop down that 4. Grab my 4 from over here, so we've dropped down the 4. Okay. 9s into 54. Well, 6 9s are 54. So we place our 6 just there. Okay. We've done the division side of things. Now, once again, same routine, the multiplication. 6 times it by 9 gives us our 54. So place our 54, the answer is 54. Now, we've done our multiplication. Moving on to subtraction. 54, take away 54, we're left with 0. So we've got nothing left. Okay. 9s into 0 won't go, so we need to drop down the next number along. In this case, it's the 6. There's my arrow. Grab my 6. Okay. Now, can we divide 6 by 9? No, we can't. So that means there are no 9s in 6. We've got no other numbers to drop down, so 9s into 6 won't go, we put a 0. Okay, so now we're into decimal numbers, so I'm going to place a decimal point just here, and I'll do the same for our answer. In the same position. It's very important to get it all lined up. There it is. Now what we do is we place a 0 after our decimal point. Okay, now we can drop that 0 down. So place my arrow and grab a 0 and drop it down to here. Okay, very important to keep everything lined up. Now, 9s into 60. Well, 6 9s are 54, aren't they? So 60 divided by 9, well, it's going to be 6. We've done our division part again, same routine. Now on to the multiplication side of things. So we say 6 times 9 is 54. We'll write our 54 down here underneath. 54. Okay, and move it around like this. Get it all lined up. Once again, I'm being very careful to line everything up. Okay, we have done our division part of it. Now 6 times 9, 54, that's our multiplication part of it. Once again, now it's time to take away. So 60, take away 54, you're left with 6. Our 6 down there, lined up nicely. Now once again, I've got no numbers to drop down, so I need to add a 0. Once I've added that 0, then I'll be able to drop that 0 down. So let's grab us another 0. Okay, we've got another 0 now. Now, you can probably see there's a pattern forming here. So once again, 9's into 60, they're going to go 6 times. Pop our 6 up there. There it is. And if we went through the same routine again, we would say, okay, we've done our division side of things. Next thing we do is our multiplication. 6 times 9 is 54. I'd write 54 underneath. And then I would do my takeaway, and I'd be left with another 6. And it would keep going and keep going with 6's all the way along. So at this stage, I'm happy with that as an answer. So 3,246 divided by 9 equals 360.66. Good luck with your questions.